How to make a cool paper airplane. First, you will probably need this one. I tried it with another one, but it didn't really work out. So first, you will want to fold it in half. Like that. And then, for the first side, take one and go like that. And then do it to the paper again. And again. So then it's like that. And then like this. Like that. And then one more fold. And then you should have this paper airplane, which is a cool thing, like this. Pretty cool. Let's see what flies. It actually flies really well. Oops, stepped on it. So, well, that's how to fold this up.